Okay, we're off to a rough start. Today is July 21st, 2019, the first day of the rest of our lives. It's a Sunday, and it's about 1:30 p.m. and we're doing another Spaghettifest down in here in Tinaco. Behind me you can see Bud Brown's Molly Mobile, my staff, my helpful staff who do all the work and do all the arrangements, and they got all the responsibility and they do all the heavy lifting. They're all getting ready to do it. Bud Brown wasn't able to make it because he had another commitment that he had. Also, my girlfriend's not here because she's working all day because Sunday's the big school day for teaching online. And Chi-Chi didn't make it either because she had to do something with her cousin. We're going to be passing the food out. We're going to get things going here in a bit. I do these videos just as proof that I'm actually doing something with the money that gets contributed to me, that people donate, that they send. I'm not a charity. I don't ask for donations. I don't ask for Patreons or anything like that. Well, for specific charity events. I am not a 501c3. I am not a non-profit. I just use the money that I get. It's my money, and I spend it on this. And I've spent my money on worse things in the past. We do this every 2 months. I get about over $100 a month on my Patreon, so that's where it goes, and I'll show the receipts at the end of this. So check it out. Enough of me talking. Quick side note on Bud Brown's Rusi 175 Chariot. This thing is a bloody tank. It's got, you know, the conventional setup. I think it's got 5 up, 1 back. This is the you click on this to go forward. You click on this to go reverse. It's also got low and high gearing. And it's 175cc, so it's a pretty powerful engine. And what it's built for, oh yeah, let's do this. It's a beast. I described it as a tank. And you got this cool little storage space right here. It's nice. No joke. I feel weird driving it around. Okay, so that wraps up our Spaghettifest for July 21st, 2019. Special thanks to all my workers. Philippine Dreams, proudly violating child labor laws since 2013. This is Ned, this is my crew. And we'll see you in September for the next Spaghettifest. Peace. Also special thanks to McDonald's for, I don't know, doing all that stuff. Okay, that's it. We're done. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.